It's really quite an amazing process. At the very beginning of the semester, the groups are formed, and each group gets an artist to work with. And this is a professional person that has a history, and the students have to formulate a plan to put on a gala event for that artist.
My biggest surprise working in the gallery exhibitions has been how it really gives us a real life experience in the real world. Like it's really awesome because not only do I get to talk to like graphic designers and our artists and just clients in general, but having an amazing mentor like Aida has been awesome because it really guides me in the right direction.
You may face some obstacles, but you have to push through difficult times because this class is sort of like a simulation that will actually help you in real world scenarios. Taking this course, I feel like has helped me in many ways because I've developed skills such as time management, marketing, budgeting, finance, and I feel like these skills are really necessary.
I hope it's going to be a sense of accomplishment, excitement, just because I know how hard me and my team have worked. So just to see it all come together, I hope it's just going to be an amazing experience.
I'm really excited to see all our efforts come together during this event, especially walking in at the first time, because our teammates have put in so much work.
I think that it will feel very exciting to know that all of our hard work that we put in as a group has paid off.
It's going to be able to bring all of our guests back in time to old world travel, really embracing that feeling and allowing people to just enjoy the art and relax.